Traveling in the mountains or hills is a difficult proposition, especially during the monsoons, as because of heavy rains one can face landslides or flash floods, etc. But at the same time, it is an experience that one should have to feel the beauty of the nature during the monsoons, especially in the hills. This journey we undertook during the monsoons and especially boarded a train for Ramnagar and reached there early in the morning. It was drizzling as we alighted from the train at Ramnagar and made our way to the market area. The drizzling was continuous, so we decided to stop for some time for the weather to clear a little bit. We had some tea, snacks, etc. at the Ramnagar bus stand and then hired a taxi on our journey towards Ranikhet. Accompanying me was my friend Rajesh Kumar, and these scenes you can see are from the Ramnagar forest area and adjoining Corbett. After you pass Mohan, you reach Kumeria, where from the journey upwards towards the hills commences. I have put in captions at various places in the video so that even if you miss the narration, you are able to make out as to what is happening and which place we are passing through. This is just ahead of Kumeria, heading up towards the hills. It is all green and the clouds have descended down. This is the road that heads towards Betal Ghat and therefrom to Khairna, and one can approach Ranikhet or Almora from this road as well. This entire region is also known as Ghat area, as it is in the lower valley and is also prone to landslides at many spots. The drizzling is continuing, as you can see, but it's not raining as badly as it had started raining in Ramnagar. But driving in the rains is also an experience. Now we are passing by Saroha, where there are many dhabas providing for local Kumaoni cuisine as well as the local delicacies like vegetables, etc. But being an off season, the place appears to be a bit empty. However, this particular spot is always busy, as most of the buses plying on this route take a stop here for the passengers to have some Kumaoni raita, pakoris, and food as one desires. There are a large number of such dhabas at this junction. Thereafter, the roads gradually starts climbing upwards, and as we start moving upwards, you can see that there are a lot of rocks and other materials strewn across the road, which is actually been brought down by the rains from the mountain side. This is the first mountain village, that is Totem, and has a very few number of homes, but is a place where one can have a cup of tea. There is a small shop right at the entrance of the village. The clouds are drifting now in the valley below. The visuals make a more telling narration than what I can explain in words. The lush green scenery and all the hills around are totally green and imparts a totally different view of the nature in the mountains, especially during the monsoons. Below is the Ram Ganga river valley, and we gradually head upwards and will shortly reach the restaurant come small motel or homestay named Pahadi, and this has become a happening destination for the tourists visiting Corbett, as it is about an hour and a half's drive from Corbett and caters to local Kumaoni cuisine, and the culture is also at show here. The children can enjoy different adventures at this destination, and it is gaining popularity among the tourists as the days pass by. This entire area is that of Pahadi restaurant. The climb becomes more steep hereafter, and so does the cloud cover, which appears to be fog but is actually the cloud that is clinging to the hillside. And the denser it gets, the more difficult it becomes to drive. Hereafter, the cloud cover was getting denser with every passing minute, and after some time, it was getting dark, and recording was not that easy, as well as the rain had also started pouring in. Therefore, we had to stop the recording. But I think this glimpse of the Kamauni mountainside during the monsoons would have evinced interest in all those watching this video, and they will definitely head for the hills during this monsoon season. Thanks for watching, and give a like to the video if you have enjoyed it.